One of the best things about the Fanuc Miller Weld cell is the fact that it has everything that you need to be classroom ready, to bring that industrial equipment into your classroom and be successful with it. From the robot to the power source to the fume extraction to the curriculum and the credentials that behind it provide an opportunity for students to get real world experience and gain credentials that get them into the workplace.
The Miller APT Fanuc Weld cell allows education K through 12, community college, state of Michigan, correctional institutions to expose their students not just to robotics or just to welding, but to really bring an integrated solution to the table. And the Fanuc Miller APT Weld cell is a great way to do that. The Miller Fanuc Weld cell is incredibly modular. Tears down, goes through a doorway, powers 120 volts AC in the classroom, but when we're ready to weld, we roll it into an area conducive to welding, and we go from there. It's really great. It has a fume extractor on board. Everything you need to train your students on an integrated MIG welding solution.
The Fanuc Miller Weld cell is important to education because it brings together two industry players that play out in industry, and to be able to bring that into the classroom and provide students with an opportunity to learn on the exact same equipment that industry is using.